Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, please turn on post notification bell on to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today, we have for you a spacious newly built two-bed, two-bath house for sale in Long Pond, Little London, Westmoreland. This property offers the ideal mix between the peace and tranquility of rural living and the convenience of city life. This house is priced at US 120,000 or Jamaican $18.7 million. This home is located on 22,000 square feet of land area. It is an hour away from the Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, 30 minutes from Negril Resort and the Negril 7 Mile Beach. Entering this spacious living and dining area, the open plan design opens to a large eat-in kitchen with custom wood cabinetry. The laundry area is piped for a washing machine, leads to a dry yard, and the house is conveniently designed with an electrically operated garage. There is a bonus room that can be used for additional sleeping, office, or family room. The large AC master bedroom with an ensuite bath as a walk-in closet and a private patio. What more could you ask for? Now, let's take a look at this property. Please remember to leave a comment and let us know your thought on these properties. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.